Last topic, the trigger program, bank master, bank transaction covered, right? Seema?
Yes, sir.
Today, what? Yeah. Do bank master, bank transaction, correct? Yes. Today, what to do? One more trigger I'm going to create. Sai, sir, can you hear me? Yeah. One more trigger. Trigger lock the DML operation to provide a security. Trigger check for valid timing. Trigger check for weekend. Trigger check for public holidays. Check it. Bank service time, tell me morning 10 to 5, right? Before 10 o'clock, not possible, correct? Check it. Now connect. Which connection? Aravind connection, correct? Yes. Good. Got it? Yes. Got an idea? Check it. So open Aravind connection. First case, what to do? Set server output on. So what is the question? Create a trigger, bank operation 10 to 5. Create a trigger TR2 for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired if the transaction performed before 10 a.m. after 4 p.m. Got it? So create a trigger for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired if the transaction performed before 10 a.m. after 4 p.m. Second, create a replace. How to get that current time 2 underscore character sysdate HH. HH na 12 hours clock, right? 24 hours clock. Got it? Got it? HH na 24 hour, not in 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Rise underscore application error. The rise underscore application error, there are two parameters, error number, error message. So what is that question? 10 to 4 only allowed. Create a trigger TR2 for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired transaction performed before 10 a.m. after 4 p.m. Check it here. 2 underscore. How to get the current time? Check it. Select 2 underscore character sysdate HH 24 na hour 24 from D1. Correct. So what's the current time? 11 o'clock. Correct. 11 o'clock working time. Getting it? Now, but our demo purpose, I'll change the time. Check it 9:39. But server time we can't change. Here our demo purpose. Check it 9:40. Getting it? So what is the error? Now we'll get this error message. Check it time 9:40. So create a replace trigger name before insert or delete on bank master. 2 underscore character sysdate HH 24. 9 o'clock not in 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, then rise underscore application here. Now check it. What's the time now? 9 o'clock. Okay, now one person delete that account. Not possible, correct? Transaction possible, but this is what happened. This is master table. Master table updation only valid timing. Correct? What's the error getting? No operation allowed, invalid timing. Correct? Everybody got it? 11 o'clock possible. Check it time 11 o'clock possible. Change the date to time. Check it 11 o'clock possible. You understand? Same like this Sunday 10 o'clock allowed or not? Not allowed, correct? This is working day trigger. Sunday create a trigger TR3 for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired if the transaction performed on Sunday. Sunday not allowed. To do that, create a replace trigger name before insert or delete on bank master. How to get the day to underscore character sysdate dy. Today how to get the day, select to underscore character sysdate, not today date, right? Dy from D1. What happened? 3-letter capital letter will get it. Today, Wednesday, working day. Got an idea? So create a trigger TR3 for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired if the transaction performed on Sunday. To do that, create a replace trigger name before insert or delete on bank master condition. So Sunday not allowed. Syntax, that creating syntax same. Here only condition important. To underscore character state dy Sunday. Same like this Saturday rules. Tell me RBA rules, Seema. Second Saturday, fourth Saturday holiday, right? So what to do? Yeah, Saturday. Yes, second Saturday, fourth Saturday. Check it. Create a trigger TR3 for insert delete triggering event where the trigger should be fired transaction performed on second Saturday, fourth Saturday. So what to do? Need to take first day of the month to last day. In between any Saturdays are there. Starting date, ending date. The loop very important. Starting date, ending date. In between any Saturdays are there. Counter increment. After loop, we need to check it. Counter value 2,4 allowed. 2,4 not allowed. Other counter 1, 3, 5 allowed. So create a replace trigger name. Main point. Saturday we need to check. How to check the Saturday? One while loop record. Check it. Create a replace trigger name before insert or delete on bank master. Counter 0. Starting date, ending date. So condition sysdate minus 2 underscore character sysdate minus 1 dd into starting date. This is ending date. While starting date less than or equal to end date. What is the condition? 2 underscore character starting date dy in Saturday. Then counter increment. The system date dy in Saturday, counter 2,4, then not allowed. Rise underscore application error. No operation allowed second Saturday and fourth Saturday. Can we do that? So today Wednesday, right? Working day. Second Saturday we need to check. Got my point? Same like this. You have balance 10,000. Can we take all user dependent condition we can create? Select star from bank master. So you have account 10,000, 101, 10,000 balance. Can we take more than 10,000? Not possible, correct? Second candidate more than 20,000, not possible. Second overdraft trigger. Second, create a trigger T12 for insert triggering event where the trigger should be fired. Your input amount more than balance. So what to do? This is same like this first program yesterday cover. Create a replace trigger name after insert. Here also manipulating multiple setup record, declare percentage row type, balance variable, cursor C1 selects or from bank transaction, open C1, fetch cursor name into variable, exit condition. That balance assigned to the which variable? Balance variable. What are the condition? You have 10,000, you can deposit. Credit we can deposit. Debit only we need to check the condition. Withdraw not possible, deposit possible. Withdraw time what to do? B1 dot amount greater than balance. Check it. Question clear or not? Create a trigger for insert delete triggering event. The first program, fifth program, same only. Only extra one more condition what to do? That balance condition we are checking. Declare the cursor, open the cursor, fetch the cursor, balance assigned to the balance variable, transaction type credit, updating, transaction type debit, decrease. But now what to do? We have 10,000, right? I'll take more than 10,000. Insert into bank master values, bank transaction, correct? Transaction values verification. Customer name Raj, account number 101, 10,001 rupee. Allowed or not? Not possible. What is the reason? Background 10,000 only available, correct? Yes or no? Seema? So I got it. But 10,001
yes,
rupee, 10,000 possible. 10,000 possible. Zero balance account possible. Again 10,000 not possible, zero balance. How to check it? Select store from bank transaction. Check it. Select store from bank transaction. Coming on. Same like this. Select store from bank master. Zero balance available or not? Check. For now, zero balance. Can we take 10,000? Not possible. Getting here. Can you do that? First working day trigger. Okay, na? Bank master bank transaction. Working day trigger. Sunday trigger. Saturday trigger. And overdraft trigger. Seema got it. Everybody got it? Sai. Next, what to do? One more question. Write a database trigger to halt the transaction for the employee, salesman, and the president. Here, what to do? Here, there are two keywords available: old and new. Old na deleted record, new na inserted. Write a database trigger to halt the transaction of the employee, salesman, and the president. So, create a replace trigger sales president before insert, update, delete on EMP table. Today, only salesman and president not allowed. Other jobs allowed. How to check it? Old dot job in a deleted record, new dot job in a inserted. Check it. Old dot job in salesman president, new dot job in salesman president. Then rise underscore application error. Correct? Old dot job in new dot. Check it. Write a database trigger to halt the transaction for the employee, salesman president. Check it. Create a replace trigger sales president before insert or update, delete on employee table for each row. What is the condition? Old dot job in salesman president, new dot job, new na newly record, old mean deleted record. No delete, no insert, no update. Now what to do? New and old is a new record that only supporting trigger program only. For now, delete from EMP. What happened? Getting error. What's the error? This message coming on error number 2008. Transaction not allowed for salesman president. Seema. Size what got it? Understand? Same like this. Only Scott user only allowed. Other user not allowed. Another trigger we can create. Check it. Create a replace trigger. Stop transaction before insert or update. Delete on EMP table. User not equal to Scott. What is error? Rise underscore application error. For now, what is the current username? Aravind user, correct? So what happened? Getting error. Delete from EMP. No. Check it. 2001 coming and about 20,000. Below 20,000, predefined error number. Sorry, table under maintenance. Please contact Scott. Correct? Error report coming in. Seema. Got my point? Lot of
Yes, sir.
condition we can create. Very good. Same like this. Whenever you are insert the record into department table, so which user inserted, which user deleted, the date and time I need to capture, and that inserted into another table, lock table. Okay. Write a database trigger to store the username, type of the transaction, date of the transaction, and time of the transaction of department table into department lock table. First, we need to check the department table available or not. Check it. After the department lock, we need to create it. Check it. Select star from department table available. The department table insert, update, delete, that information stored under lock table. We need to create department lock table. The lock table, how many information? Username, transaction type, and transaction date. So how to do that? Any insert, update, delete stored under department lock. Second, here in the trigger, there are three keywords are available: inserting, updating, deleting. Inserting, updating, deleting. Keywords are conjunction with trigger statement. Got my point? Insert, update, delete. Insert operation successfully completed. Update operation, deleting operation. Correct? Check it. Create a replace trigger, trigger name. After insert or update or delete on which table? Department table. Declare condition. If inserting, I value assigned to the V variable. If updating, U value assigned to the V variable. Deleting, D value assigned to the V variable. Able to understand? So create or replace. Here three keyword: insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete information into which table? Department log. I for insert, U for update, D for delete. So now what happened? I'll insert into lesson. One record insert, one record delete. Into depart, which table? Target is department table 50 HR Hyderabad. Inserted on this information stored under department log table. Same like this, I'll delete from department where department number 40, right? So this information also stored under department log. How to verify? Select star from department table. Department table 50 inserted on 40 deleted on. This operation changes are stored under which table? Department underscore log table. Katara. Aravind the user inserting so and so time, right? Deleting so and so time. Correct? Seema. Seema got it.
Sir.
Got it. And one more point, trigger uppercase convert uppercase automatically. Check it. Trigger convert student name uppercase automatically. Then upper function we need to use within the trigger. There are new and old bind variable available. Check it. Create convert student name upper, all the operation possible. For example, now this colon new old is a bind variable. Check it now. First table available or not? Check it. Select star from. Check it. Select star from student. But I'll give small letter trigger converting or not. Check. Insert into student values. Seema. Number 106. 60. 89. 90. Correct? Getting on? But you are given small letter. Correct? Trigger uppercase converting automatic or not? Seema? Yes or no? Whenever you are insert the record, trigger firing automatically update the value. Uppercase function.
Insert into means it will be take uppercase, sir.
Insert into student value. So that Seema name new dot na newly inserted name. The name convert to uppercase and assign to the new dot name. Got my point? Understand that? New na newly updated name. Newly inserted value. Old na deleted value. Seema got it? Seema understand? Got it? This the new inserted old everything support trigger program only. Seema okay? Sai. Same like this. Seema okay na this one? Uppercase. Check it. Same
Yes,
like
sir.
this, you are going to join one organization. Joining date today date only na. Check it, write a database trigger to display the message whenever inserting higher date greater than system date. Then what happened? New dot higher date not equal to system date, correct? The newly inserted date not equal system date error. Can you do that assignment? And trigger we can creating on complex view also. Check it, view said to be a complex view. It contain any of the following: group function, group by class, join, mathematical expression, distinct keyword. But by default, complex view non-updatable view. If you want to update, what to do? We can create trigger. Instead of trigger, we need to use provide the transparent way to modify the views. So I'll create two table, then cross join. Join means complex view only, right? So we cannot insert. How to insert? I'm going to show you now. Check it, two table record, complex view minimum two table. Create a table, trainer. Check it now, trainer one value, subject one value. And I'm creating view, create view name, create view name, I select full name, subject name from trainer, cross join subject. For now, select view possible, two table coming on, but we cannot insert. Why? Because inserting time two physical table record. We cannot insert. View complex view read only possible. We cannot insert. That case, what to do? Insert not two physical table, two insert command record. The two insert command we need to create inside trigger. Trigger automatically file. But whenever you are create a insert into trigger, so trigger creating on virtual table, trainer subject view. That time what to do? Instead of keyword, we can add it. Extra instead of keyword only for views. So now we are created trigger. Before what happened? What is the problem? You are not able to insert, correct? Now check it. Whenever you insert trigger firing, trigger inside to insert command available. Updating Anna. Seema. Sai sir got it. So what is the difference? Before complex view non-updatable. Actually two insert command record. The two insert command physical two insert command inserted into which table? Trigger. Trigger automatically firing and executing, correct? Seema got it. Can you do that practice? Sai, got it. Check it. But one condition, how many trigger? Complex view non-updatable view. We want to update instead of trigger, we need to create. Check it. Two table created, follow the script. Two table, first two table created, view created, and inserting invalid. Create a trigger. After that, check it, valid. We got two insert command available. But one condition, more number of trigger also not recommended. How many trigger can be applied to the table? Got it? Check it. How many trigger can be applied to the table? Check it. Here per table, what happened? Only how many trigger? 12 trigger only apply. Got my point? Check it. How many trigger can be applied to the table? A maximum of 12 trigger can be applied. After that, how to disable all trigger? How to enable? Otherwise, don't want how to drop the trigger, drop trigger, trigger name. So how to know how many triggers are available? How to check it? Select trigger name. Able to understand? Trigger name, table name, status from user underscore trigger. Available, Anna? Everybody got it? If you don't want, drop the trigger. Listen. Now what happened up to I covered 100 example. One more Blogspot website is there. Here around 151 example available. 161 example. So first my example try to complete. After that you need to, before going to attend the interview, you need to complete this one, Blogspot website. Check it. Here 161 example. Seema, can you do that?
Sir.
161 example before going to attend the interview. And the SQL interview question also available. Sai, check it. This website. Here 101, here 161. Check it. Difference between procedure and trigger. Procedure called explicitly, trigger called implicitly. Procedure can be created without a table, cannot be created without a table. It accepts parameter procedure, cursor no, trigger no parameter. It return the value, won't return the value. The automatic procedure is manually we need to call, correct or no? Without a table we can create factorial procedure, sum, average. With the table not, without table not possible. 1 second, 1 second. Check it. Procedure called explicitly, trigger called implicitly. Got it? Understand? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Able to understand? Got my point? Check it. Yes. You are asking some question, right? Okay. Sai, I'm also going to complete. Katara? Seema got it? Session 24. Session 25, all interview question only. Check it. What is the difference between database and data warehouse? OLTP, OLAP, online transaction processing, online analytical processing. Check it. OLTP. Check it. So what is the difference between OLTP, OLAP? OLTP na database, online transaction processing. OLAP, data warehouse, online analytical processing. Check it. Database system designed for transaction purpose, and data warehouse system designed for analysis and reporting purpose. But here data modification, right? Data frequently modified. Here not modified. Here more number of users are working database. Here less number of users. Here they are maintaining normalized table. They are maintaining denormalized table. Here index is recommended, but more number of indexes not recommended. Here recommended. This is database system operational oriented, not timing oriented. Here subject oriented information. And database system maintain current data, and data warehouse maintain 1 year data. Data warehouse maintain 1 to 10 year data. Small amount of data. Okay, small amount of data, large amount of data. Here they are using SQL, PLSQL. Here using MDX, DAX query they are using. Here Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Postgre. Here OBAE, MSBA, Ab initio. Theory question. But we are working in database only. Data warehouse feature plan. Seema got it? Got an idea? And one
Yes,
more
sir.
concept, temporary table will be there. Temporary table now up to commit the data available. It is used to hold the information in logical memory, not in physical memory. They hold the data for particular period of time, not permanent. Sorting, grouping, filtering, joining, they are using temporary table. Check it. Holds the data until transaction is closed. Then what to do? We are creating global keyword. We need to use global temporary table. And on commit, delete. After commit, data delete. Check it. Create global temporal. C1 date on commit, delete rows. Check it. Before commit the data available. Insert into temp value sysdate. Temp value sysdate. Got it? And select star from temp. Correct? 3 rows available or not? After commit, check it. 0 rows available. Check it. After commit, data deleted. Seema got it? Got it? But what happened after commit also record? Then what to do? On commit, preserve rows. Check it. Holds the data until session is closed. Up to close button. So create global temporary table. Temp1 C1 date on commit, preserve rows. Commit, preserve row. Now what to do? Insert into temp1 values. Correct? Sysdate. Correct? Check it now. Select star from temp1. Correct? Check it with commit, preserve row. After commit also data available. Check it now. Check it. Select star from temp. Available. Na? Whenever close the connection, data going to delete. Seema got it. Whenever close the connection, data going to delete. Seema, understand? Check it. 0 row. After preserve, after close the connection, exit out, then check 0. I covered lot of procedure function, correct? That is procedure oriented program. Same procedure function we need to convert object oriented program. Nothing but a OOPS, object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, data encapsulation, dynamic binding, message passing. How to do that? In Java, we need to create class keyword. Here what to do? Type keyword they are using. Create a replace type name. Check it. Create a replace type. Before what happened? Drop table employee 1. Katara. Check it. Create a replace type name as object. Okay. Create a replace type name as object. Here 2 member data, 1 procedure. This OOPS concept. Create a replace type. To do this same like this package declaration. But now package body definition. How to do that? Type body, right? This OOPS concept. So in this body section, what to do? I'm going to display the value declaration definition. So how to do that? Create a replace type body employee 1 as member procedure. Correct? Clarity. So that how to invoke, we need to create object. Check it E1, EMP1, E2, EMP1, E3, EMP1. Correct? Could you able to follow me, everybody? Seema got it? Getting Anna? Getting Anna? But this output not getting right. What to do? Set server output on. Coming Anna? Got it. Seema, you got time or stop it? 5 minutes?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Oh, very good. Next, what to do? Oracle collection. Okay, now. 1 second, I'm getting call once. See, this one, VRA. What happened? Now every field collect only one value, right? Take supermarket, one customer purchase 5 products, some customer purchase 10 products. Then what to do? 10 column? No, one column how to collect multiple value, that is collection. Here VRA nested table. Check it, array declaration time size we need to provide. Then 5 size, 5 value accepting single column. Check it, I will show you now. Create a table VRA. Check it. Create type item code as VRA, correct? 3 array created. Create table order detail, order number varchar, item VA, item code is a VRA data type, quantity VA, quantity order data type, quantity delivery. Check it, describe order detail. But what are the advantage? Item code 5 value available, right? We can give 5 value. But one limitation here, 5 not 5, above 6 not 5, above 5 not possible. Check it, select sort from order detail. Check it, select sort from order detail. Above 5 not possible. I'll give 5. Some customer purchase 5 product, some customer 6 product, not possible. What is the error? Right? Construction limit exceeded. But I don't know, right? Sometimes 5, sometimes 10, sometimes 6. That case, what to do? We have to use it nested table. Here, no need to specify any size. Nested table is an Oracle data type used to support column containing multi-valued uptree. Check it, how to declare here type. We need to create varchar 2 of 30. First, we need to create type. We need to create table. This is also one of the collection nested table. Check it, create or replace type name, correct? As table of varchar 2 of 30. Table means multiple table, multiple value, no size. For table ID number data type, column 1 my tab T. So my tab T is a table data type, accept n number of value. Check it, insert 1 row, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 5 value, 6 value, correct? Even 1000 value also we can insert. Check it now. Inserting ana one value, one row, one value, two value, three value, five value, 10 value, 1000 value also we can insert, correct? Seema got it. The nested table main, the data type we need to take table within another one table. Same like this. One more VRA example, customer ID product. This customer purchased 4 product. This customer 3 product. We can use VRA or nested table. Can you do that? So that one more array also create,
Yes, sir.
employee type. Yeah, employee name. Here multiple value we can insert. Second. Here I prepared example. One still we want more example nested table on Blogspot website available. Check it. Next to bulk insert command available. Insert all we can use it. Check it. Drop type insert all, nothing but a bulk insert command. Check it now. Drop type name. Create a table emp1. Insert all. Inserting at a time bulk insert, not one row. Whenever you are using bulk insert, na insert all we need to concentrate. Got it? This is bulk insert question. Insert na single row, insert all na at a time all value. Next, what to do? One more concept, pivot and unpivot. Pivot means what to do? Interchanging of row comma column. Row into column, column into row. Means what to do? Row into column means what to do? Aggregate function we can create. Sum, maximum, minimum, average we can create. Aggregate into in the single row. This single row into aggregate, that is pivot. Aggregate into row, this is unpivot. Second, pivot function, individual value converted into
You
aggregate,
can
minimum,
do
average.
vice versa, sir. Like
Yes.
row into
Row into column, column into row. Unpivot, opposite. See this one? That is pivot, correct? The unpivot, correct? Seema? Opposite, correct? Row into column, pivot.
Yes.
Unpivot, correct? Opposite, correct? Column into row. Possible. Lesson 2 operation I'm going to show. Means what to do? Individual report into aggregated report. Now check it. You are selected na e name, e number, salary converted into maximum, minimum, aggregated, correct? Katara? The row into column. For now the aggregated value, right? For example, check it. Aggregated into column. What to do? Unpivot, correct? This only you are asking, right? Unpivot does the opposite operation. Good, you able to understand?
Sir.
Able to follow me? Katara? Very good. Check it. Unpivot. Here what to do? Aggregated into detailed report, correct? Able to understand? Check it. Unpivot, opposite. Select the employee number, employee name, property value, correct? This is column, right? Column into row. Means we are not using any aggregated, then individual value will come. That is, we need to use it coming on salary. Unpivot function we need to use, correct? Except null value. Got it? Check it. Select the employee number, employee name, property value from EMP. Unpivot to exclude null, correct? Seema?
Yeah.
Very good. Check it. Next, what to do? Pivot, understand? I'll forward all the diagram. Next, LOP in a large object data type. You want to store any images, we can store. LOP large. Create table test, obvious number 6 not null, username worker, I blob, right? Which data type? Blob data type, correct? What happened? Test already existing. So drop table test. Create table test1. Created, insert into test1. Before this images available or not, check it. C:(images folder, otherwise getting error. C:(images folder, amazon.png available, correct? So we can insert it. Select star from test one. Seema, correct? Seema, can you do that?
Sir.
Very good. So up to now, PLSQL syllabus we are covered. Okay. Project will be there. That is, I'll take Saturday. Okay. The project introduction only I'll give it. Just go through it and come tomorrow. Easy Saturday. Try SQL folder, Oracle folder. See folder, project detail. I'll give the project diagram. Open with Paint. Check it now. This is day-to-day work, bank operation, day-to-day work. Okay, now here I prepared around 10 tables. I prepared bank table, branches table, customer table, account table, account status, account type, transaction table, transaction type. So the bank information showed under bank table, branches information showed under branches table, customer information showed under customer table, account information showed under the account table. The account status information. Account status mean either active or closed. Account type either current account or saving account. One second.
Okay, sir.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Listen, bank table, branches table, customer table, account. Seema, got it? Bank information, what is the use of each and every table? Bank contain bank information, branches information stored under branches table, customer information stored under customer table, account information stored under the account table. Correct, Ara? Seema, got it? And account status either active or closed. You are 3 months, you are not maintaining proper balance, that account goes to disabled state, correct? Seema? The account type either saving account or current. Transaction type either deposit or withdraw. So branches also having address, customer also address, both address table, correct? Can we do that practice? Got it? So your work, how many faces are there, how many tables are there, what is the use of each and every table, check it and come. I prepared sample table also, I'll forward, just to create it and come. Seema, can you do that? Saturday 10:30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before what to do, now I need to explain project task. Check it now. How to know how many tables are created in our project? How to know how many table relationships are created? The relationship very important. Okay, na? Check it, bank content, bank table, branches table. The relationship very important. Check. Tomorrow I'll ask. Then only you are able to write that query. Bank table connect to the branches, branches connect to the customer, customer connect to the account, account connect to the transaction, account transaction type and transaction status. Correct, Anna? Could you able to follow me? Got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Very good. This you can create it. So how to know how many relationships are created in our project? First, relationship check it. What is the purpose of each and every table? Each and every table, how many fields are created? Can you do that? And project point of view, when we need to use view, select the data from the multiple base table. For query storage, for data security purpose, we are using view. When we need is procedure for data validation, dynamic SQL I covered, data formatting. When we need is function for computation and data generation. When we need is trigger for data distribution to the multiple base table automatically. Seema, got it? So whenever you want
Sir.
to retrieve data from the multiple table, then view any validation, any dynamic SQL procedure, any select command, only calculation function, trigger what happened, data distribution to the multiple base table automatically. Any doubts? Seema, can you do that? So this project, just check it and come. Project 1 table data also I prepared, I'll forward. Phase 2, phase 3 bending, I'll take it on Saturday. Either 10:30 or 11:30, I'll join. Okay, now it will take 1 hour time. Phase 2. So today I'll forward all the document. Can you go through it? Then project session easy. Seema, got it? Yes. So straight away I'll forward the document.